All right, so here we have a Kubernetes and Portworx cluster already set up. You can see there's a number of different PVCs in this cluster already. I think there's about 7 with 2 or 3 different applications. These are evenly distributed across the Portworx cluster right now, and we can see this by looking at the provision status. And the provisioned mean diff percentage is above and below 20%. So it's 13, -4, -8. This is all within the positive 20 to negative 20 range. So that's what we consider balanced. We're going to create a whole bunch of volumes and sort of unevenly create the replicas on the cluster. You can see there's a whole bunch more volumes now on this cluster, and we've specifically put them in a manner that unbalances the cluster for this demo. Now what we can do is actually look at the provision status once more, and here you can see that the one node is very unevenly distributed in the sense that it's over 20%. It's got most of the gigabytes, 115, compared to the 12 and 2 of the other nodes. So this is an unbalanced cluster. So what you can do now using the pixie-cuddle command line is to issue a service pool rebalance. And this will rebalance the space above and below that 20% and make sure those replicas are back onto a location that makes it balanced. You can look at the rebalance status. This gives you a little more information about what actually happened in terms of what replicas were added, which one were removed, from which node to which node, and this sort of tells you what actually happened during the rebalance. So now that we've issued that rebalance command, the Portworx cluster in our Kubernetes deployment should be balanced once again. So let's go ahead and look at the output of the provision status. And here you can see that everything is more evenly distributed across the 3 nodes. And that is pool rebalancing and submitting that rebalance from the CLI. Until next time, take care.